This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Gabrielle Charity. Lovely, newly renovated pool home in the beautiful, established family community of Plantation Bay. Very open, split floor plan with vaulted ceilings, airy and bright. New kitchen with quartz counter, both bathrooms are remodeled and there is gorgeous porcelain tile flooring throughout the entire home. New roof in 2021 and brand new air conditioner system. All interior is newly painted, epoxy painted garage floor, move-in ready for the new owner. Located in quiet cul-de-sac and the large, caged pool area is totally private with serene green belt view. Plantation Bay is centrally located between Sarasota and Tampa /St.Pete. Interstate I75 is only a few minutes drive away for easy commute. Close proximity to restaurants, shopping, Detweiler's Farmers Market, ELLENTON Outlet Mall, etc., downtown Bradenton and beaches. For more information, review the details below or contact Gabrielle Charity at 941-685-6649.